Okay, today is Monday, November 28th, 2022. We're at Winchester Village South. This is a sewer for Unit 124. As you can see, we have the PVC cleanout here right next to the cable box. We'll show you we're at the back of the unit. Here you can see we have the woods back here. We've just replaced the sewer. We're going to do a final video. Here you can see this is the cast iron, and you can see just up ahead where we started. Here's the new PVC. Here we turn heading along the back of the property. This is parallel with the fence. Went down past the next building and then tied in. We also put a clean out at approximately 85 feet. Here you can see there's people that are already flushing wipes down the sewer. We did find quite a bit of wipes down the clay when we did a video for locating after we had excavated part of the sewer. Okay, here you can see this is our clean out that was at 85 feet. You can see here's where we turn and we start heading down towards the clay. And here you can see we are in the clay pipe. You can see that the clay pipe does hold a little bit of water at the bottom. You can see we are above that water level. Again, when we did a video for locating, we did find there were quite a few wipes in the sewer. We brought quite a few back on our centering guide. We will go ahead and record as we pull back.